Hey, what's up, guys? What you're looking at here is the homepage for a website called coinflation.com. COINFLATION.com. I mentioned this in a past video when I was talking about precious metals. I think my introductory video, I might have talked about this website. But they have really good information on different U.S. currency, and I believe they even have a section for foreign currency. But it tells you, basically how much silver's in it, its value. It breaks it down really nice, and there's a little calculator, which we're going to click on in a second here, and I'm going to talk about what happened today at the bank. I went to cash my check today, and as I mentioned, I don't know what order I'm uploading videos, but at some point I made a video showing a money clip from CountyCom, and I figured since I got paid and I had a big wad of cash, it'd be a nice time to do a video on the money clip. Although in that video I mentioned that it's all tax money, so it's not like I get to keep it. It's all going back out to the government. But anyway, that's besides the point. But I was at the bank today cashing my check, and while I was there, just kind of happened to have the thought to ask if they happen to have any half dollars or silver dollars. And the woman kind of gave me a funny look. She's like, I don't know, maybe, let me check my change thing. She pulled up this little tray with it, which they keep all their change in, kind of organizes it, keeps it nice and neat for them. And in the tray, I saw 3 Kennedy half dollars. Okay. Now, I was joking around, and I asked the woman, I said, do you guys pick out the silver? Because I actually have a friend who works at a bank, and she constantly is looking for silver for me. Looking in all the trays and stuff for old quarters and all kinds of stuff. But she had no idea what I was talking about. This is a banker, mind you. And I said, do you pick out the silver? And she's like, what are you talking about? I said, 1964 half dollars and previous are 90% pure silver. And she was shocked. She was genuinely shocked. She had no idea. So I said, can I take a look at those coins? And I took the 3 coins. She said, sure. Took the 3 coins, looked at them. These are not 90% pure silver. However, these are 40% pure silver. Okay? Anything from 1965 to 1970, the Kennedy half dollars anyway, they contain 40% pure silver. This one here is a 1967. I have a 1969. And here's a 1966. So I told her this. I said these are 40% pure, genuine silver. And she's like, "Wow, what are they worth in silver?" I said, "I don't know, a couple bucks more than they're worth in their currency." I said silver right now is somewhere about $18.50 or so per troy ounce. And when I said troy ounce, she had no idea what I was talking about. So anyway, she lost interest, and I said, "Well, I'll take those. I'll give you $1.50 for those." And she said, "Sure." So I put it in my pocket, and I had a little smile on my face. Came home, looked at the coinflation.com site here, which I want to show you how this works real quick. You go to coinflation.com. On top, the little menu here, you can see where my mouse is. The third one in from the left, it says coin calculators. Click on that. You get 2 options here. The bottom one's for base metals, which is not going to matter unless you have thousands and thousands of spare change, floating around. In some cases, here, I'll take a look at it real quick. In some cases, regular U.S. currency is worth more in melt value than they're worth in physical value. For example, let's see, 1909 to 1982 Lincoln pennies are 95% pure copper. Now we know that a penny is worth 1 cent in U.S. currency. And then they ask for face value. Let's say I have 1 penny, okay, from 1909 to 1982. So 0.01 dollar, 0.01. So that's 1 cent. Calculate. So a regular penny from that date is actually worth 2 cents in melt value. It's worth 2 cents of copper, which is kind of funny. But like I said, for that to even matter, you'd have to have thousands of dollars, face value in these coins to melt it down. But regardless, I just want to show you the silver portion. You click on the silver calculator, and you see there's a drop-down menu of all of our old currency, U.S. currency coins that contain silver. You have 1946 to 64 Roosevelt dimes and the Walking Liberty half dollars and so on. And anyway, in any case, these, like I said, these are 1965 to 1970 Kennedy half dollars. So let's click on that. It says it's 40% pure silver, which I already knew. And they give you a picture here to confirm, so you can look at your coin and say, okay, yeah, that's a Kennedy dollar. Refer to the pictures. So again, I paid $1.50 U.S. currency to basically trade for these 3 coins. I'm going to put in number 3 for quantity. And right now, as of today, which is, let's see, it's April 29th, 2010, Spot price for silver is $18.49 per troy ounce. So let's see, 3 of these coins together, and it's calculating, is 0.4437 troy ounces of silver collectively. Each one of these coins contains 0.14 troy ounce of silver. So each one of these coins today, in silver's, what silver's worth today, is actually worth $2.73. So I have $2.73 worth of silver here, which I paid 50 cents for. Not a bad shake. Collectively, it's worth $8.20. I paid $1.50 for it. So I just, making this video just to let you guys know, be vigilant. If you happen to be at the bank, ask the guy, or, woman, whoever, whatever teller's behind the counter there. Ask them if they have any half dollars, silver dollars. You can look at them, look at the dates. A quick way to see if you have the 90% pure silver is by looking at the ridges. It'll be, full silver color. It won't be like that half copper color. Maybe I'll make a separate video on that, but I just want to make this video just real interesting, just by asking a couple questions. For $1.50, I bought $8.20 worth of silver. And I'll just hang on to these. I'll put it with my silver collection, and, as silver prices go up over time, I'll gain even more value. So, anyway, just be vigilant. Always look at your pocket change. Go to coinflation.com to see, click on their coin calculator, and then again, the silver value. Look down their list, see what years of what coins contain silver, and, hang on to it. Silver's definitely a good thing to hang on to, and I truly believe its value is going to go up and up and up as time goes on. But anyway, I just want to make that video and talk about that real quick. I apologize for this format. I'm basically just filming my computer screen. I do know there's different programs on, basically showing your desktop and what you're doing and all that stuff, but I don't know how to use those things, so, eventually I'll do that. But for just a somewhat short video, I just figured I'd just point it at the screen here and talk about it. So anyway, not a bad deal. Keep an eye out for your silver. Maybe sneaking right underneath your nose and you don't even know it. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.